So today we will create a simple callback function. I have created two files, index.html and script.js, and opened them in VS Code. In index.html, I have used script tag to reference script.js so that we can work on the JavaScript. Now open script.js. Let's start by creating a function called greeting. Inside the function, let's log hello world. So write console.log hello world. If we run the greeting function, it will instantly execute the function and run hello world in the console. Instead, we want to run this function only after another function is executed. Means we will use this function as an argument in another function. So let me create another function, execute callback. Add callback as a parameter. Then inside the function, let's just call the callback function. Now let's call execute callback function. Here we will pass greeting as an argument. Please note we don't use parentheses here. We are not invoking the function yet. Greeting is now stored in the callback variable in the scope of execute callback function. Then it's invoked. And if you check the preview, you can see hello world in the console. Another way we can use a callback function is by using an anonymous function. An anonymous function is a function without a name. It is often used when you need a function temporarily, such as passing it as an argument to another function. Anonymous functions are typically defined using the function keyword or as an arrow function in JavaScript. Now, let's check how we can use anonymous function in the callback function. First, let's convert this function declaration into function expression by giving a variable name. Then remove the function name. For the anonymous function, we just need to get rid of the variable name. Now, how can we call this anonymous function in the callback function since it doesn't have any function name? We can simply cut this function and add them directly inside the callback function as an argument. If you check the preview, it still works as before. Now, let's try to use the arrow function in the callback function. To do that, we need to get rid of this function keyword and instead add an arrow after the parenthesis. This is a more concise way for declaring the function. If it is just one line of code, we can even remove these curly braces and put them together in a single line. Check the preview, and it still works as expected. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll learn about the setTimeout function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.